Welcome to another tutorial of VN Video Editor. In this tutorial we will sync the beat with the text, and you can say this is the first step on my channel to create a beat sync montage or beat sync videos. So first of all, what we have to do is to import the music, and in the music you will have to mark the beats. So to mark the beats, you have to choose the music. There will be a beats option. You go there and then you will have to hear the music, and wherever you find the beat, there is a red flag button below. You just have to click on that to mark the beat. So once you mark all the beats in the music, it becomes very easy to create beat sync typography, and you can even make beat sync montage. So what you have to do next is to just add the text and make sure that the text stops where you marked the beat. As you can see, I will stop the text here and then add another text which will be after the first beat and should end at the same place where the second beat starts, so that we will be able to make a nice beat sync typography video. As you have seen my video before this tutorial, so I will just keep on adding text and keep them matching with the beats. That's all we're gonna do. That's why I'm gonna fast forward this video, because nothing is so important. Next, you have to do the same thing again and again, and once you keep doing all those things, I will show you what will it look like at the end. At the end, my timeline was filled with text. You can see I have zoomed out. If I zoom in, there are a lot of text you can see. So this is how you beat sync the text. And if you liked this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.